Sterling. What are you doing, buddy? Huh? What are you doing, buddy? Yeah, you like your little head scratches. Yeah. Look at you, how so fluffy. Aren't you a good little boy? Aren't you a good little boy, Sterling? Yeah? Soft kiss? Wow. Oh. Whew. My birds are going hectic around here. It's their little playing hours. And everybody's out doing their own thing. Is that right, Sterling? Yeah? Yeah, is that right? Look at you, you're like a little puppy dog. Huh? Hi, Sterling. Look at camera. Woo! You guys have probably never seen Sterling before. The thing is, I've actually had Sterling for quite a while, but I never actually shown him. I don't really know why, but I don't know. I just thought, you know, this is normally a reptile channel. I mean, I have been into birds, a lot of different birds quite lately, but as you can see, Sterling's eyes are gray colored. It's a lot darker now, but it's a light color in real life. And as you can see, Sterling loves me. He likes to cuddle me. He likes little head scratches. He's actually pretty cuddly for an African Grey. Yeah, buddy. Soft kisses, thank you. Doesn't even bite hard. It's his way of giving kisses. Am I right, Sterling? Am I right? He was purring just a second ago when I was scratching him with both my hands. Is that right, Sterling? Is that right? Yeah. Soft kisses? No? You silly little boy. There we go. Yeah. Atta boy. Such a good boy. So yeah, I don't know. A lot of people have African Greys. It's not really anything that special. But this is the first video of Sterling. We're pretty balanced between me and my mom. Spend time with him. Just because I know I will have to leave soon. And when he stays here, I don't want him to be too upset. So he's both bonded to me and my mom. He's a good boy, never had any feather plucking. All my birds get playtime every single day, so I just let them all out, and they get to play together. Sterling doesn't like playing with my other birds, but we play with them. We give him lots of toys. Yeah, Sterling. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Yeah. So yeah, guys. This is my African Grey, Sterling. Thanks for watching, guys.